And more breaking news coming in this morning. The CRPF has lodged a written complaint over uniforms of martyred CRPF men dumped inside a garbage can in Sukma. The complaint has been lodged with the state police. The MHA has sought a report over the incident. The Ministry of Home Affairs has sought a detailed report from the Chhattisgarh government. This after blood-stained uniforms and boots of martyred soldiers, 14 of them who were killed in the Naxal strike on Monday, were recovered from a garbage dump outside a hospital in Sukma, where their post-mortem had been conducted. Let's get a word from our correspondent Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's with us on the phone line. Kamaljeet, the MHA is seeking a report from the Chhattisgarh government. Of course, there's also a political angle because the Congress claims it's an insult to the martyrs, and they've also demanded an apology from the state government.
Well, the CRPF as a force is completely upset. Remember, they're saying their own men have been dishonored. They also feel that partly it's the hospital which is responsible and Chhattisgarh police. Because once the body is sent for post-mortem, it becomes a case property. They should have actually put all these uniform and boots in a proper package and handed over Chhattisgarh police, who should have taken over the case. But after the post-mortem, this was not done. They believe this was a huge negligence. They've obviously instituted an inquiry over it. They've written a written complaint regarding this entire matter to Chhattisgarh police. They have questioned as to how the boots and the uniforms were dumped in the garbage. Some of these uniforms, have been taken away by the Congress workers, saying the BJP government has dishonored these martyrs. But this is obviously a case property. CRPF has taken it on the highest of levels. Now we know that Ministry of Home Affairs has also sought a report. So obviously they want inquiry done at different levels. CRPF has instituted an internal inquiry. They've pulled up a senior level officer, but they believe partly that the hospital where the postmortem was conducted, and also the Chhattisgarh police, which was investigating the case, was hugely responsible, right, and they should be equally accountable.
Right, and Kamaljeet, this had come as a huge shock to locals, especially the family members of these Jawans. On the one hand, you have a funeral ceremony with full state honours, and on the other, their blood-stained uniforms thrown into the garbage.
Well, definitely so. They think this could have been handled with sensitivity, even as all these members who are awaiting bodies. Nobody would want to see the last remains, the uniform and the boots, the physical remains which are possible, either should have been handed over to the next of kin or becomes the case property, whatever evidence is required once the case is registered. But this was obviously not done. This is a breakdown of standard operating procedure, even in terms of filing of FIR. Now this has obviously become a political case where there is a fight over Congress and the BJP over these martyrs. But remember, CRPF wants this case to be handled sensitively. But right now what we see is a lot of callousness and politics are happening over this.
Absolutely. Kamaljeet, thanks so much for that update. This is a story that's likely to perhaps be taken up in Delhi as well. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments.